Hello everyone, welcome to AV Finance Hub. Today we are going to understand one of the most important topics in crypto, Bitcoins versus altcoins. If you are new to cryptocurrency, this topic is very important for you because before investing in crypto, you must understand the difference between Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency in the world. It started the entire crypto revolution. But today, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies also available. These are called altcoins. In this presentation, we will learn what is Bitcoin, what are altcoins, their differences, risk and reward, and which type of investor should choose what. So stay till the end because this knowledge can help you understand the crypto ecosystem in a better and smarter way. Now let us understand Bitcoin deeply. Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized digital currency. It was created in 2009 by a person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. The main purpose of Bitcoin was simple to create peer to peer digital money, meaning people can send money directly to each other without banks. Bitcoin works on blockchain technology. A blockchain is a digital ledger that records very transaction securely and publicly. And very important feature of Bitcoin is its limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Because of this scarcity, many people call Bitcoin digital gold. Bitcoin uses something called proof of work. In this system, miners solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and secure the network. Bitcoin is also the largest and most decentralized crypto network in the world. No single company or government controls it. Today, many institutes, companies, and even governments consider Bitcoin as a long term store of value. That is why Bitcoin is considered the foundation of the crypto market. Now, let us understand altcoins. The word altcoin means alternative coin. Simply, every cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin is called an altcoin. Some popular coins are Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Today, more than 5,000 altcoins exist in the market. But there is the important point. Every altcoin is created for a specific purpose. Some altcoins focus on smart contracts, some focus on faster payments, some power NFT platforms, some support decentralized finance and also called DeFi. For example, Ethereum introduced smart contracts. These are self executing digital agreements without a middleman. Some altcoins are serious technology projects, while some meme coins become popular because of internet communities and some media hype. So, altcoins bring innovation and new use cases to the crypto industry. Now, let us compare Bitcoin and altcoins. First is purpose. Bitcoin is mainly used as a store of value. People buy and hold it like digital gold. But altcoins have many purposes like DeFi, smart contracts, gaming NFTs, and payments. Second is supply. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, but altcoins can have fixed supply or unlimited supply depending on the project. Third is technology. Bitcoin uses the original blockchain and proof of work system. Many altcoins use newer technologies like proof of stake. Next is market capitalization. Bitcoin is still number one in the crypto market. Most altcoins are smaller compared to Bitcoin. Now let us talk about volatility. Bitcoin is volatile, but relatively more stable than altcoins. Altcoins usually move much faster both upward and downward. Risk level is also different. Bitcoin is considered lower risk compared to altcoins. Altcoins can give higher returns, but they also carry higher risk. So, in simple words, Bitcoin focuses on security and stability, while altcoins focus on innovation and growth. Now, let us understand market dominance. Bitcoin currently controls around 50% of the total crypto market capitalization. This is called Bitcoin dominance. It means Bitcoin still remains the leader of the crypto market. Ethereum is second largest cryptocurrency. It controls a major share after Bitcoin. Then thousands of altcoins together make up the remaining market share. When Bitcoin dominance increases, it usually means investors are moving toward safer crypto assets. But when altcoins start growing faster, the market enters something called an altcoin season. During altcoin season, many smaller coins can rise very quickly, sometimes 10 times, 20 times, or even more. However, high growth also means high risk. Some market dominance helps investors understand where money is flowing inside the crypto market. Now let us look at different types of altcoins. First, smart contract platforms. Coins like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano allow developers to build decentralized applications. Second, payment coins. Coins like Litecoin and XRP focus on faster and cheaper transactions. Third, stable coins. Stable coins like USDT and USDC are linked to fiat currencies like the US dollar. Their goal is low volatility. Fourth, utility tokens. These tokens are used inside specific ecosystems. For example, BNB is used in the Binance ecosystem. Next are memes coins. Coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu became popular because of online communities and viral trends. These are highly risky and very volatile. Finally, NFT and metaverse tokens. These support virtual worlds, gaming ecosystems, and digital assets. So, not all altcoins are the same. Every category has different goals, technology, and risk levels. Now, let us talk about one of the most important things in crypto, risk and volatility. In crypto markets, a higher reward usually comes with higher risk. Stable coins are considered the safest category because their price remains stable. Bitcoin is risky compared to traditional assets but safer compared to most altcoins. Ethereum comes after Bitcoin in terms of strength of adoption. Mid cap and small cap altcoins are much more volatile. Their prices can rise very fast, but they can also crash heavily. Meme coins are usually the riskiest category. Many memes coins depend mostly on hype and social media attention. In bear markets, Bitcoin can fall 50 to 80%, but many altcoins can fall 90 to 99%. At the same time, during bull markets, some altcoins can massively outperform Bitcoin. But remember one important thing, most altcoins fell within a few years. That is why research is extremely important in crypto investing. Always remember do your own research. Now let us understand the difference between store of value and utility tokens. Bitcoin is mainly considered a store of value. People buy to preserve wealth over the long term. Because Bitcoin has limited supply, many investors compare it with gold. Institutions and governments also trust Bitcoin more because of its security and decentralization. On the other hand, altcoins focus more on utility and innovation. Many altcoins power DeFi applications, NFTs, Web3 platforms, and smart contracts. Some altcoins allow governance voting, some enable faster transactions, some provide services inside blockchain ecosystems. So, Bitcoin mainly focuses on value, storage, and security, while altcoins focus on building applications and solving real world blockchain problems. Both play different roles in the crypto ecosystem. Now, the big question, should you invest in Bitcoin or altcoins? The answer depends on your risk appetite and financial goals. If you are a conservative investor, Bitcoin may be a better choice. Bitcoin is suitable for long term holders who want lower relative risk. If you are a moderate investor, you can choose a balanced portfolio. For example, 60% Bitcoin and 40% top altcoins like Ethereum or Solana. The approach provides both stability and growth opportunities. If you are an aggressive investor, you may invest in mid cap or small cap altcoins. But remember, higher rewards always comes with a higher risk. Never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. And one more important point, this presentation is only for educational purposes. It is not financially advice. Always research properly and consult a certified financial advisor before investing. Now let us summarize everything we learned today. First, Bitcoin is the foundation of crypto. It is secure, decentralized, and has limited supply. Second, altcoins bring innovation to the blockchain industry. They support DeFi, NFTs, smart contracts, gaming, and many more technologies. Third, risk and reward are directly connected. Bitcoin is relatively safer, while altcoins are riskier but may provide higher returns. Fourth, always research before investing. Understand the project, team, use case, and tokenomics carefully. Finally, diversification is important. A balanced portfolio can reduce risk and improve long term stability. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you understand the difference between Bitcoin and altcoins clearly. Crypto education content follow. Thank you so much.